What's going on YouTube? This is Kid. A couple of my buddies were talking about this software here that I'm about to show you. This is for music management. And if you're like me, you have a lot of folders. And it becomes a pain when you have to sit here and put 90s into 90s, 80s into 80s. So it becomes a lot of work. So there's this program called Pathfinder. I'll post the link on the bottom. And what it does, it makes everything super easy to import and export your files. So right now I'm in my new music that I just downloaded. I'm going to go to my 2019 folder for BPM Supreme, and they all match. So the old way of doing it with Finder is you would have to pretty much log and drag it. With Pathfinder, the only thing you need to do is open up a new tab, go to your music where it's at, which would be April, BPM. So now everything is going to be the same. So I just pick everything up and move it over to the file that I want to go. And because all the names are the same, it's going to give me an option. And it tells me if I want to merge, replace, or what. So you click on merge, then it's going to tell you there's another folder or a file with the same name. Hit replace. So now all I did was carry everything over in 3 clicks. I don't have to sit there and do folder by folder, and this is super easy. Anyways, these are some tricks and tips that I've been using for the past couple of years. Hope you guys find it useful for music management. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. Other than that, practice and enjoy.